Okay, guys. So let's take a look at our risk coaches and what's written on them and explain a couple of our features so that you feel comfortable in using them as a cheat sheet for when the play is called. Now, remember, it is important that you understand our play calling terminology so that you know the whys of what we're doing. But if you forget, you're going to have a risk coach on you that you'll be able to refer to help you get through the plays and know your exact assignment. Let's take a, let's take a look at a few of these. Now, I'm not going to use the quarterback risk coach because the quarterback risk coach is a little bit unique. And I'd rather speak to a larger audience by taking a look at our tight end jet risk coach. So let's pull that one up. Great. I'm going to pull out a pen tool to mark up a few things along the way. As you can see, for our tight end slash jet player, we've got a total of 42 plays. Whether we get to all 42 of these plays or not, I don't know. It's going to depend on how much you guys can absorb. But let's just take this first section, plays 1 through 22, and look through them. Now, our first column over here, it says number, and you've got numbers 1 through 11. You've got another similar column right in the middle of 13 to 22. Those are the numbers I'm going to be calling in from the sideline, and that will tell you the name of the play. So numbers are the thing that I'm going to shout from the sideline over. Now, the second column in is the title of the play. Here and here. For example, play number 1 is East End 88 reach. Now, play number 2 is West End 99 reach. You really need to know what this terminology means, but I also want you to understand that the second column is the play that everybody needs to know. Now, you look at the second column, you see it says play A and in red. If I want to get really fancy in play calls, I could call them in as play 1A or red 1, just if other teams are starting to eavesdrop. But for the most part, we try to keep these with numbers. Our third column, where it says assignment, that is your individual assignment on each play. For example, let's look at play number 1 again. East End 88 reach. If you're the tight end, it says assignment, me, you, us. And that's unique to the tight end. He will be the only person who has that written there. And what it does is it tells the tight end that he has to talk with the wing about who is going to be blocking a specific player, me, you, or us. And as you look down the other assignments, there's a whole lot of different things for that tight end to know. And abbreviations like this one, R&T, the tight end's going to have to know that R&T means replace and turn. So this third column, those are your individual assignments. Okay, now, there's some other things in this risk coach that I need to make you aware of. Let's take a look at play number 1. East 88 reach. I want you to notice that that's written in red. The text is in red. Now that's a clue. That's going to tell the tight end that he needs to line up to the right-hand side. Red equals right because they both begin with the letter R. Look at play number 2. Play number 2 is in blue. For play number 2, the tight end would look at that and know that he's going to line up on the left-hand side because blue has the letter L in it, B-L-U-E, or left, L-E-F-T. Now I'm hoping that the tight end is not going to need these colors to know where to line up. I'm hoping that the tight end is going to know that East End means he has to be on the right, or the east side of the compass. And west end, he's going to know that he has to be on the left or west side of the compass. But if he's geographically challenged and was never taught the points of the compass, he just needs to look at the color of the play, and that will tell him whether he's on the right in red or left in blue. But wait, there's more. You'll see that on some of these plays, the cell is in a different color. For example, plays 12 through 14, the cell is in a light aquamarine. Those plays are pass plays. And if it's a pass play and it's in aquamarine, that means that we are going on the second hut. Our cadence again is go, ready, hut, hut. If we're running a deep pass, we go on the second hut. And those are all the plays that you'll see with a blue or aquamarine, cell. Now, what about these? These plays are in gray. Okay, plays that are in gray, we are snapping the ball on go. That should be pretty easy to make a connection with because the word gray starts with G and go starts with G. So that means any play that's in gray, and that's all of these, we snap the ball when the quarterback says go. Finally, there's one more thing I want to show you. You'll notice also over here we have some plays in yellow. Anytime that your risk coach has a play that's in yellow, like this one for the jetback, 88-99 reach, or these ones for the tailback, or these ones for the wing. If it's in yellow, let me see if I can write this out, guys. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Anything that's kind of a W. Anything that's in yellow equals you're getting the ball. Well, that's not so bad. How many laces are on a football? There's 8. Well, you get the point. If we get it in yellow, that means you're getting the ball. For example, on play 5, East End 65 crisscross, if you're the wing, you're going to get the ball on that play. That's why it's in yellow. On play number 1, East 88 reach, if you're the tailback, you're going to be getting the ball on that play. If you're the tight end or jet, and it's East 88 jet, that means you're getting the ball on that play because it's yellow. Okay, so guys, as we wrap this up, here's what I need you to know about the risk coaches. The risk coaches are there to help you as a cheat sheet in case you still need some time to learn your plays. But you really need to have a grasp around the play call itself. And that we did that in a previous video. You need to know what East End looks like and where you're supposed to line up. You need to know what 88 means, who's running the ball to the 8-man. And finally, you need to know what reach means, meaning the blocking assignments. But if you struggle with remembering things, that's okay. This risk coach will be there to help guide you along with words, colors, and more colors. Okay, guys, don't forget to do the Google Docs quiz on risk coaches if you want your bonus points to earn choosing your number for this year.